Why does your body need sleep to survive and function properly? Because sleep is the secret power behind your brain's ability to heal, focus, and keep your entire body running smoothly. During sleep, especially deep sleep, your brain flushes out harmful waste products like beta-amyloid that build up while you are awake. This cleaning process helps prevent cognitive decline and supports memory consolidation. Without enough sleep, your brain struggles to focus, learn, and make decisions effectively. While you sleep, your body releases growth hormones that stimulate muscle repair and tissue growth. This process is crucial for healing injuries and maintaining a strong immune system. Without this nightly repair, your body becomes prone to illness and slower recovery. Proper sleep regulates hormones like leptin and ghrelin that manage your appetite and energy use. Lack of sleep disrupts this balance, leading to increased hunger, weight gain, and fatigue. Your body needs sleep to maintain the energy levels required for daily activities. Sleep affects neurotransmitters that regulate mood and stress response. Without adequate sleep, you become more prone to anxiety, depression, and irritability. Sleep acts as a natural emotional reset, helping you cope with daily challenges. Sleep is not just rest. It is essential for your brain's cleanup, your body's repair, and your emotional balance. Missing sleep disrupts these systems and harms your health. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had and unlock more secrets of your body.